Welcome back to the Loan Arranger Radio Show. You got Bruce Woodburn CrossCountry Mortgage, the Loan Arranger. You can call or text me now in the Tampa Bay area at 813-213-4009 or the Orlando area all the way up to St. Augustine. I broadcast from St. Augustine down to Cape Coral and everywhere in between. I'm hitting Lakeland, Sebring. I was out in Sebring visiting Southern Homes the other day. Great builder. Hey, you want to buy new construction and you want to buy in the mid 300s, brand new. Generally, they have bigger lots than your typical builder. Southern Homes down in Polk County and Highlands County. Sebring, Bartow, Avon Park, Babson Park, Lake Wales, Lakeland, even Auburndale. Listen, this builder is amazing, and they build a quality home in the mid 300s. You tell them the Loan Arranger sent you, okay? You tell them when you get there, the Loan Arranger sent you, and when you buy a home from them, they'll pay all your closing costs and you can use me for your financing. It's unbelievable. They'll also build on your own lot if you like. Build on your own lot with a construction perm loan from CrossCountry Mortgage. It's a great deal, Southern Homes. If you're in the Orlando area, St. Cloud, Claremont, Leesburg, Mineola, all that area, I got Trinity Family Builders. Love working with these guys. They'll pay all your closing costs. They got great homes. They're the best production builder I've ever seen in Central Florida. Right here in Central Florida, the Loan Arranger is their approved lender. Let them know that the Loan Arranger sent you. Go out and see my friends out there. And if you're a real estate agent, please tell them the Loan Arranger sent you. Register your clients there. I tell you what, they'll take really good care of your clients. They build a quality home. Quality home. Great builder. Even Lennar Homes. So listen, I'm not the official lender for Lennar Homes. I'm a backup lender for Lennar Homes, okay? In other words, they like to send their business to their own mortgage company, but they can't always do the mortgages. So they've put us on as a backup lender. If you want to buy Lennar, they're going to make you use their mortgage company unless you're fully pre-approved by me in advance. So if you're a real estate agent and you don't want your clients to use the builder's lender, you want them to use somebody like me, which I think is smart, then you're going to want to make sure that they're fully pre-approved with me and armed with a pre-approval letter. But Lennar Homes, great builder as well. And they'll pay your closing costs, all the same incentives when you use the Loan Arranger. And then the other thing I wanted to mention, so, you guys know that, I have gone through this weight loss journey. Okay. Like I was way overweight. I wasn't like, you can look at me and go, I was a total fat ass, but I really was. Okay. In my opinion, I was. And I realize it now more than ever. So I met this guy named Brett who owns a company called Age Rejuvenation. Now, Age Rejuvenation is one of many companies you could choose from for a weight loss or for testosterone therapy or therapy for women, estrogen, all that kind of thing. They do it all. Okay. Now, listen, I've been to several places before and I've been on the same type of program, but none of them worked like this did. Now, why did theirs work better than most? Now, you even see these commercials for like Wegovy and, all the other ones, the Zeptide and the Trizepatides and semaglutides. And listen, they don't always work as well individually as they can work in combination with other things. So they started me on a program and then they reevaluated my blood, changed it up, reevaluated it, changed it up, dialed it in. I'm now down about 80 pounds. Now, listen, I'm at my goal weight. I haven't weighed this weight since I was in high school. Honestly, in high school, I feel better. My knees are better. My ankles are better. My joints are better. I have more energy. I can get around. I got a big boat that I have to jump down in engine rooms and things. I can fit down there better. So listen, you owe it to yourself or your spouse to be able to put yourself in a position where you feel good about yourself. Okay. Now listen, some of these programs are very expensive. They're very expensive, and I'm aware of that. So I have cut a deal with age rejuvenation that they have to give my clients a discount. They'll get you started for $100. Okay. $100. They'll get you started on this program. Listen, you couldn't lose the amount of weight in a year in the gym working out every day of the week that you're going to lose in this. And listen, I'm not bragging, but I have not stepped foot in the gym. I still need to, but I have not stepped foot in the gym. If you want to lose weight, the easiest possible way with the best possible people, like they have doctors on staff, they have nurse practitioners on staff, they dial it in. Baby, I'm telling you, you won't want to miss out on this. But call me or text me at 813-213-4009 or 407-706-3313. They've got several locations in the Tampa area. They got locations around Orlando, Winter Park, Winter Garden. Like, they've got locations. They can do Zoom meetings if you're not right in their area. But listen, these guys are the real deal. You will lose more weight with their program than any other program. And then for all you guys and girls that need to go on some type of a hormone or testosterone therapy, they've got all that as well. My testosterone was low. I was 65 this year. I didn't realize it was low. Now I went on the testosterone, and well, you'd have to ask my wife how well that's worked for her, because I'm going to tell you something. Like, I'm chasing her around like a jackrabbit these days. So if you are wanting to improve a lot of things in your life, I'm telling you right from me, you need to call me. Guys, girls, you'll feel better. The summer's going to be coming up. You start right now. By summertime, you're back in that bikini again. So call me. I'll get you on the right program for the right price. You'll love these people. I promise you, they are not even paying me to advertise. That's how much I believe in this program. All right, let's get on to more mortgage stuff here. So first of all, we talked about interest rates earlier in the show, that they are not really where we want them to be for refinances. So why would they be any better for a purchase transaction? Here's why. Right now, we have shifted from a seller's market, meaning there's not enough inventory on the market and sellers are in control, to a balanced market that is behaving like a buyer's market. A balanced market means there's plenty of buyers and there's plenty of sellers. It's a balanced market. A buyer's market means there's too many houses on the market and buyers in complete control. So there's not too many houses on the market, but there's more inventory today than there has been in 10 years. So that's a lot more than we're used to. So the market is behaving like a buyer's market. Buyers are in more control. They're able to negotiate repairs on the house, roof repairs, plumbing repairs, whatever repairs. They're able to negotiate closing costs. Now, if you come to my class, you're going to know that I'm all about getting closing costs paid by a seller. I'd rather pay a little more for a house and get closing costs than I would reduce the purchase price and not get closing costs. It's a way better deal. Way better deal. You come to me, I'll show you the math. It'll make perfect sense. Okay. Real estate agents, listen, this is the market to help buyers, but the buyers don't know it right now because they only they're very tunnel vision. They're looking at interest rates being higher. Interest rates will drop. We'll refinance. You don't pay any lender fees with me when you refinance with me when you come back, when I've done your mortgage. So it's cheap. You don't come out of pocket with money. So here's the thing. Why should you buy now? Well, there's more inventory on the market, which gives you more options. Sellers are willing to make deals. You can refinance later. I'm telling you, this is the secret sauce. So Warren Buffett, one of the smartest businessmen in the world, on the planet, says, be fearful when others are greedy. You should have been fearful during COVID. Okay. Be greedy when others are fearful. Everybody's fearful right now. Everybody's fearful. There's your sign. There's your sign, friends. Go out and buy as much real estate as you can right now. And we can refinance later, because as soon as rates drop to fives, you're going to see the prices of these homes just shoot through the roof. You're going to see so much increases. You're going to think that the increases in COVID were ridiculous. It's going to be a lot like that. Okay. I think, and Barbara Cochran, on Shark Tank, mega real estate agent, believes that we could see 15% increase in pricing when rates drop into the fives again. And I believe that she's right. So you want to pay more for the house, or do you want to get the house at today's price and just refinance it and lower your payments later on? Okay. It's that simple. Go to webringyouhome.com, apply with me now. I've got 35 years experience. I've got the biggest mortgage company in the country. We do more loans than any other mortgage company in the world. Listen, you've got the right people. We got the right prices. We got the service. You get hometown service. I operate like a small business shop. You'll see me. You'll talk to my people. You'll get to know them. My team is there. They give personalized service because you deserve personalized service, something you don't get from Wells Fargo, Bank America, your credit unions, Rocket Mortgage. You're not going to get that. You're going to get that with me. You're going to get advice from me. You're going to get a great real estate agent when you work with me and you ask me about my Loan Arranger real estate rebate program. You can do that. But listen, it's a buyer's opportunity. So what opportunities are there? So listen, veterans, 100% financing, no money down. You all know that. You can own multiple properties and use your VA. A lot of veterans don't know that. You can do that. FHA, 3.5% down. But listen to this. I've got a 0 down payment FHA loan, 100% financing. So what it is, it's a first and a second mortgage. It's an FHA. You put your 3.5% down FHA. I get you a second mortgage that makes up the difference or covers your closing costs up to 101.5% loan to value. So you're out of pocket little or no money on an FHA program. Now listen, 620 scores or above. Okay. You got to have debt ratios that meet guidelines. But look, there's no reason for you not to get into a home. USDA, no money down in geographical areas. If you want to know that you qualify for USDA, they're a lot more strict than FHA. You got to have low debt ratios, higher credit scores, but it's a great loan and it's available for no money down. So you've got all these programs. I'm getting a client, Heidi, right now, $60,000 from, I think it was Pinellas County, if I'm not, it might've been Osceola County down payment assistance. So I've got the programs. I've got everything you need. So here's the deal. I'm going to recap this right now. Interest rates are a little higher right now than you'd like, but it's a buyer's opportunity. So buy. Don't refinance if you're just looking to lower your payment and your rate. Only refinance if you need debt consolidation. That's the time to do it. So let's get your debt consolidated right now. Start saving you money. Whatever you do, don't be late on anything. I just got off the phone with a guy and he's been late on his car payment. And literally, if he wasn't late on his car payment, I'd have saved him $1,500 per month in expenses. $1,500. But he's been late on his car payment and I can't do anything for him right now. So we got to fix that. So don't be late on anything. Call me before you're behind on debt. You got to have equity in your home. We'll consolidate it. We'll get you going on a great program. Start saving you money. And then if you're self-employed, you don't need your tax returns. I know you're writing off all your income. You don't need your tax returns. I've got a great self-employed bank statement program. All you self-employed people that get turned down by banks and mortgage companies, don't even bother with them. Call the Loan Arranger, 813-213-4009. That's 813-213-4009. Tampa Bay, or call me in the Orlando area all the way up to Jacksonville, 407-706-3313. That's 407-706-3313, or go to webringyouhome.com. Listen, you got somebody here that's willing to help you. You're not going to get some grand sales pitch from me or my team. You're going to get honest, accurate advice on how you can save money, on how you can get the best mortgage possible. And if you need a real estate agent, don't hesitate to ask me. My real estate agents will give you 25% of their commission back in your pocket to offset some closing costs for prepaid escrows. Wouldn't you love that? Doesn't that make sense to you? So call me now or go to webringyouhome.com. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you for tuning into the Loan Arranger radio show. I'm grateful for each of you. And I'm always there. I'm always there for you. So call, text me. Let's just become friends. Save me in your phone. Thanks for listening to my show, and I will look to hear from you later. Have a great day.